Hi, beautiful.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
So, you know what I was thinking?
What?
We should start a YouTube page. You know, one for untold stories, but I was also thinking that we could do one just of us being random. And we're just pretty much going to go on the untold stories one anyway, so never mind. We'll just make one for untold stories.
We should.
We should.
We should.
We should post this to it, along with our very many other random videos, including the one about us sneaking out, which totally failed. And we're just like, no, fuck all this. But yeah, by the way, if you want to know how to sneak out,
The dog smells bad. Walk out the goddamn door, bitches. That dog smells bad.
it really does.
Oh, boy. Sorry. Now make that motherfucking hammer time. Cute.
Oh yeah.
Look at my fucking sexy
Foot! Hell yeah. I met a guy with a foot fetish. For the fetish.
I met a guy with a foot fetish.
Is it fetish or fetish?
Fetish.
I met a guy with a foot fetish.
Who?
Met him on IMVU.
Well, he's gonna have some hot, sexy feet when he's going out with somebody. He's gonna be like, "Damn, your feet are fine. Can we go out?"
Sexy feet.
It
It was funny because I was talking to James one time and he's all like, "I really do think feet are beautiful. I don't have a fetish or anything. I just think they're pretty." And I'm like,
We're still recording.
"We're going to church here in a minute." Yep.
Going to church. And we're atheists. I'm agnostic. You're an atheist.
I'm not really an atheist. I mean, because I have pretty
You're
much.
agnostic.
Yeah, I mean, I know there's something
Just
out there.
like me.
Obviously, because, certain circumstances.
But you know, we've flown a rocket, and there's even a guy holding a sign that says, "Where's God?" And he's in space. And that is funny as hell right there. That's some goddamn humor.
Yeah, I mean, like, why did Godzilla attack when it should have been Atheistzilla, right? Because, yeah, it's a lot funnier when I actually have the actual quote. I'm not even sure y'all can see this. It's probably just doing that up there.
Probably.
I don't even care.
I don't even care either.
We should do a video full of shout-outs to people we love.
And
then put it on Facebook.
this weekend.
We'll do it this weekend. All we're going to do this weekend is take pictures and make videos and watch movies.
We need updated pictures.
Yeah, for real, we do.
Well. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Oh, that hurt my